Hello and welcome to Birdview. Congratulations on taking the first step to completely transform how you and your team work, managing projects and their related tasks. We will begin with a quick overview of the key benefits of our platform. Let's explore going over a typical project lifecycle, starting with the project initiation or intake. Under Custom Forms, forms can be used to capture relevant information about a new project or a change request to an existing project. Project managers can choose to create a project from scratch by simply adding a series of tasks to perform. If projects like these with similar tasks are performed on a recurring basis, you have the option to save these projects as a template. Head over to Status and click Template down here. The template will also save predefined information such as resource assignments, duration or task start and end dates, pre-assigned to a portfolio, or a unique workflow that this type of product would apply to, and so much more. The Gantt chart can offer a clear indication of projected timelines and the option to set up dependencies between tasks or related projects. Click the dependency arrow to set lag days or customize the dependency. With the task timeline in place, you will have a clear visual of your project timeline. Your project will always get its date range from the task dates listed below, starting with the task with the earliest start date, and its end date will be derived from the task with the furthest end date. When the project is in flight, a significant amount of time is spent in the Activity Center view, where we support different types of methodologies. If your project is Agile-based, use the Kanban board view. This is a very simple but effective visualization that helps you track each of the project activities at different stages throughout its life cycle. You can easily prioritize tasks, detect bottlenecks, and visually see how the task is progressing. The table view is for those projects that follow a specific waterfall-like structure, and it allows you to visually see each task with its parent and child task association. Let's see how Birdview can help project managers review projects by monitoring key metrics like task milestones, warning of potential delays, or budget oversight. Tasks with specific deliverables and deadlines can be flagged as milestones. These can be easily filtered and tracked in the Gantt view. Capturing the project baseline allows you to see how your projects are trending. You can select the ellipses and access the capture baseline or override existing baselines, all in the same spot. This is ideally first captured during the project planning phase. In the Gantt view, you can visually see how you are trending from when the baseline was last captured. If you are required to share project progress with a client or other stakeholders, select Project Plan to capture a snapshot of key metrics like progress and dates based on the Gantt view. The Resource Loading Report offers an interactive heat map of the resources assigned to the project and help you evaluate if they will be over-allocated or underutilized, and so much more. Also supports project financial tracking. Go to Project Details and click the $ icon at the top right to view and set project planned expenses, record scheduled payments, or just get an overview of all the current expenses, estimated actual cost, and billable in real time. While there are plenty more features in Birdview, that concludes our overview video. If you would like to learn more and harness all of the power that Birdview has to offer, please don't hesitate to contact a member of our sales team or customer success, and we'd be more than happy to share our knowledge and expertise to better enhance